Hi everybody, it's Jay and today I have a box opening. Oh my god. So this is a lucky bag, as you can see from the title probably. It's my very first Milklim lucky bag of 2018/19. It's basically the 2019 New Year's lucky bag, and I've heard mixed reviews of this. This is my first time ordering a lucky bag from Milklim. I ordered it over Tokyo Otaku Mode, and thankfully this time I didn't have to pay any, what's the word? I forgot. You know, like fees when you purchase stuff. And you always get these cute like folders from Tokyo Otaku Mode with like your information and stuff about the order. Pink time! Oh my god. Oh, there's a sticker in there as well. Ooh, that's cute. I think it's also from Tokyo Otaku Mode. I'm gonna maybe show this up close as well. So, here it is. It's a huge package. I am really excited about this. So I'm pretty sure some of it might not fit me, but honestly, I have the goal to lose weight anyways, like a little bit more, so maybe it can be like a goal to try to fit into these, but I can also just sell stuff, you know. But you'll see. Okay. So it's in the pink bag. Sadly they don't do like the cute Milklim bags anymore. But let's just pull the first thing out. Looks like corduroy. Ooh. Are these pants? They're pants! And they might even fit me actually. Oh my gosh, they're stretchy. I need to try these on afterwards, but they might actually fit me. That's interesting. I like this material actually. It's kind of soft, but also, it's nice. I don't mind that. I think it was in like a picture. I see another corduroy thingy. Oh, I got the pink one, not the green one. I think they had this like advertised as well in the picture. Oh, I love this. Oh my god, I thought you got the green one, but I guess there's like different variations of this, but I got a pink one. Oh my gosh, this is definitely gonna fit me. I mean, it's like the Milklim logo and everything. I'm pretty sure this is gonna fit me, like, even if it only fits me if I wear it, like, you know, open. I don't mind at all. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this so much. Oh, I can decorate this and stuff. Oh my god. Oh, this makes me so excited. I see something yellow. That makes me kind of excited as well. What the hell is this? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Is that a crop top? That's hilarious. Oh, that's so random. Look, it's like a crop top with a heart. It's like a iridescent heart. Oh my god, that's so amazing. I love this. I can wear this like underneath stuff. Oh my god, I can wear this underneath stuff so I can have like a hood and stuff. I love, like I'm obsessed with yellow lately. Oh my gosh, I can wear so much stuff with this. Oh, I love this. I'm actually really excited about this. I hope it fits me. I'm pretty sure it will, because like Milklim does have bigger sizes. I'm so happy so far. Oh my gosh. Okay, I see lots of blue, which I love. So, oh my god. I got the blue one. No way. No way, no way. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it's like a two set with pants. Oh no. Or is it a skirt? Oh, it's a skirt. Okay, skirt is also great. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So after editing, I realized that two pieces of clothes, I don't know how it happened, but they sort of went missing, like the unboxing. But it's these two. So let's start with this one. It's very sporty, it's very nice, and my girlfriend is gonna show this on camera wearing it. It also fits me, but she just looks so much better in it. And yeah, it has like a zipper with these white strings and a super stretchy at the bottom, which is always good. And yeah, also very stretchy on the side. And that's just how that looks like. Basic, but I find it very cute. And the second thing is a bit weird. I find it a bit weird, but yeah, it's this black shirt. I really love the bows on the side, but I don't know how to feel about it. It says, rule number 1 is that you gotta have fun, but baby, when you're done, you gotta be the first to run. And I'm like, should I be scared? I don't know what this is supposed to mean. Like, if you know, if this is like a quote or something, maybe from like I don't know, a song or something, it sounds like it, please let me know. I have no idea. But yeah, I love it. I mean, I'm probably gonna wear it with some outfits, we'll see. But yeah, let's continue with when I noticed that my camera stopped rolling. Sorry about that, camera cut off. So I really like some black in my clothing, like especially when I wear like more masculine stuff. Black is generally a nice color. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. I was so excited about this. I got the one with mint. Oh my gosh, I got the one with the mint sleeves. Oh my gosh, this is probably my favorite piece. I'm pretty sure that's my favorite piece. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. It's so big. Milklim magical. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. I love this so much. Yes, this is like worth everything, honestly. And there's another thing that I know that we were gonna get. Oh, that's actually a nice size as well. That's so surprising. Like, I didn't think everything was gonna fit me. I was really scared about that, but look at that. Oh my gosh. That is so beautiful. It's like a very like simple thing, I guess, but it's very nice because you can wear it underneath stuff and layer things, which, you know, fairy keys like that. Layering is, it's all about the layering. And well, the last thing that a lot of people were kind of upset about, I guess, because it has lots of beads in it apparently. So I'm gonna open this. So it's like a little bag of tiny star beads, which I very much appreciate. I love making like DIY stuff. But yeah, also the packaging is just super cute. It says best wishes. And where is my knife? There we go. I'm wondering what these are. Like, what exactly are these? Are these like for your hair or something? I am confused. Can anyone like tell me what exactly these thingies are? Like, they can't really go on your fingers. Or like anywhere? I don't know. I have no idea. But I love these. These are like bigger size beads that you can probably like incorporate into like outfits as well. So you can like put them on, I don't know, as like decoration on like sleeves or something. Or like as decoration like here on like somewhere. Or actually with like these, you could put them on there. Oh, that would be cute actually. So yeah, I will try everything on and show you all.